reviews best motorcycles for beginners Kawasaki Ninja ZX4RR. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX4RR. This versatile and beginner-friendly sport bike has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX4RR is a lightweight and agile sport bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 399 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the ZX4RR is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the ZX4RR offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 399 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The ZX4RR has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The ZX4RR is ideal for riders who are looking for a stylish and affordable sport bike. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX4RR stands out for its powerful engine and sporty design. Its larger displacement and more aggressive styling make it a great choice for riders who are looking for a more exciting riding experience. Expert reviews. The ZX4RR has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and comfortable riding position. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The ZX4RR is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and a lot of fun." Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX4RR is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the ZX4RR is definitely worth considering.